Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be. Baby, baby, stop. Oh, take it easy. If you gonna leave, I swear I can't breathe. Do you really care, baby? Never nukunda yo ngomeza. You are my fantasy, my only desire. Nakutekela ninyoro, butima nisinzira. Cause you make me fall in love, darling, darling. If you touch me one more time, I might lose my mind. Cause I can't take it.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Robe. So today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play slowly on the keys. This one is an easy song, so if you're a beginner you should be able to play this song after you're done with this tutorial and maybe practice a little bit. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also engage with this video, give it a thumbs up, comment so that it can rank well on YouTube. Guys, also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So with that guys, let's zoom in right after this. Okay, slowly is in the key of A sharp. That's the key of the original song. Though in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to play the same song in the key of A. But if you want to play it in the key of the original key, that is A sharp, you'll just transpose it a half step high. So the first chord is the progression is 4 1 5 5 4 1 5 5, and the better part of this song is that progression. So that progression is the intro, also the chorus. Yeah, the intro and the chorus, because the song has verse. Okay, the intro, verse, and the chorus. You'll use that progression. So the variation comes in at the pre-chorus, and at the pre-chorus the progression changes to 4 6 1 5. So these chords, namely the names of these chords are, so the 4 is a D major chord, the 1 is a A major chord, and the 5 is a E major chord. So I'm gonna start with the 4. This is a D chord, though it's an inversion of a D chord, so it's second inversion of the D chord. So normally I'll hold D there, so D, first inversion, second inversion. So on my left hand I am playing note A with my small finger and ring finger, note D with my pointer finger, and note F sharp with my thumb. So that's that's a chord D, second inversion of the D chord. On my right hand, the same, D, first inversion, second inversion. So with my thumb I'm playing note A, note D with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. So that's second inversion of the D chord. So the chord that follows is A. So this one is just the normal A with no inversions. So on my left hand, note A with my small finger and ring finger, this note is a F sharp with my C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. Right hand, note A with my thumb, C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my small finger and ring finger. So the chord that follows is E. So this E is also an inversion of E chord, and it's this first inversion of the E chord. So normally you'll hold the E there, and then first inversion of the E chord. So on left hand, note G sharp with my ring finger, note B with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. On the other hand, still this is an inversion of the E chord. So E chord, then first inversion of the E chord. So I'm playing note G sharp with my thumb, note B with my pointer finger, and note E with my small finger or ring finger. So those are the chords that comprise that progression for the intro, the verse, and the chorus. So the pre-chorus has one extra chord, which I will show you anyway. So for these verses, so the chords are 4, 5, 1, 1, and so the timing, you can count it as 4, 1, 5. No, 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 no. Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be. Baby, baby, stop. No, 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 no. So you could just practice it with that, just plain, just straight chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the pre-chorus is the progression is 4, 6, 5. 1, 5, and the pre-chorus is where he sings like, you are my fantasy, my only desire. Nakutekela ninyoro butima nisinzira, cause you make me fall in love. Then it goes back to the progression that we have discussed. So the pre-chorus is 4, 6, 1, 5. So I've already shown you how to hold the 4. So the new chord here is the 6th chord. So the 6th chord is the F sharp minor. This is an inversion of the F sharp. So normally you'll hold F sharp there. So F sharp, then an inversion. This is the first inversion of the F sharp minor. So I'm playing note A with my small finger, ring finger, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my thumb. So on my right hand, F sharp minor. So this is the normal F sharp, then first inversion of the F sharp. So I'm playing note A with my thumb, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my pinky or small finger. So that's those are the chords. So the progression for that part, the pre-chorus, you can just count as na, na, na. You are my fantasy, my only desire. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nakutekela ninyoro butima nisinzira, cause you make me fall in love, darling, darling. Remember that the F sharp just comes in at the pre-chorus. Once the pre-chorus is done, the chorus is the 4, 1, 5, 5. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. It was a short tutorial anyway, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a thumbs up, comment down there so that this video can get a good ranking on YouTube, and thus reach many people. So guys, remember, if you have a request, any song that you want me to do a tutorial on, you can let me know in the comment area. So with that guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.